everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Lauren. I hope that you're all staying healthy and safe and well. Today's video is an unboxing and I'm so excited because I raced home from work. The lighting is really bad right now, I'm sorry. I raced home from work because I got a notification that a bag I ordered from Matches was delivered. So I'm so excited. I'm excited and scared. Let me tell you why I'm scared. I have not seen this bag in person, this exact bag, and I don't know how small it is. If you follow my channel, then you know I have an affinity towards mini bags. I love them. I don't carry a lot, so it's like, why do I need a big bag? Even though I do have big bags, but anyway, beside the point. I love mini bags. I just don't know how mini this one is. So we're gonna find out together and see what fits in here. Mind you, this box is very small too, so I mean, you can kind of tell. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so let's rip this. Oh my god. Okay, so, I mean, like you can see, the bag looks small. It's tiny, oh my gosh. It looks cute though. So, I don't think this is the dust bag that it comes in. It's by Loewe, which I'm sure you can tell by the title of this video, but it's by Loewe. But this is not like the Loewe dust bag. So, it must be somewhere inside this little mini bag. So, let me take a look. It's so small. What am I thinking? What am I doing with this? I introduce you to the Nano puzzle bag. So this is my hand, and this is the bag. I don't know. What am I? Who do I think I am? Like, this would be for my niece. It's so cute though. Okay, so this is the Nano puzzle. I'm all over the place because it's just so small. This is a Nano puzzle. There should be a detachable strap with this. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Like the little handle is so cute. So the dust bag's probably in here too. Okay, so here is, this is, oh, there's the strap. And then this is just the authenticity, kind of everything that Loewe handbags always come with. And then let's see if the dust bag, oh, that's not the dust bag. This is just more padding. Maybe this one doesn't come with a dust bag. That's strange. Oh, I'm an idiot. It's right inside the box. It was just folded up. Okay, so here's the dust bag, which is also teeny tiny. So this is the Loewe Nano puzzle bag, and here is the strap. So if you are familiar with my channel, then you know I have this one here. This is the small puzzle bag. I've had this now for 3 years. I need to do an update on this bag. I did an update after the first year, but I mean, a year is a long time. 3 years with having a handbag, I can really give you like a very clear wear and tear, how much I love this bag, how I hate this bag, if I do hate it. You know, I can do a really good review after 3 years. So this is the small. And then this is, you know, when you like hold it up, it doesn't look like it's insanely small, but it is, like it's, or maybe it does look small. It's just hard because I'm wearing black on black, but okay. So this is the Nano. I'm gonna put the strap on it and we're gonna see how this works. So here we are. I have put the chain strap on the handbag. So unlike the other Loewe handbags, so the mini, the small, the medium, the large, whatever, they all come with the leather strap. This one comes with a chain strap, which I think suits it a little bit better just because it is a fairly sort of small, dainty bag. I feel like a strap might be a bit overwhelming with it. So it does also come with the palladium hardware, which I do like. This one is also the same. It's that sort of same palladium hardware. So with the Loewe bags, I do like the gold, or sorry, this palladium hardware as opposed to the gold, but that's just personal preference. So yeah, there we go. The chain is very heavy. This bag in itself weighs nothing. And then when you put the chain on, it's like, oh, there's some weight to the chain now. So I feel like that's good because if you had that sort of leather strap, which also sort of weighed nothing, I feel like the bag might move around more. With the chain strap, it's gonna sit against your body a little bit better because it is heavier. So the actual dimensions of this bag, I'm gonna mention it really quick because like, look at it, it's so obnoxiously cute and small. The width of it is 4.9, or I guess roughly 5 inches. And then the height is 3.3 inches here. And then the depth of it is 2.1 inches. I should also tell you the price of this tiny little handbag here because it's a little bit shocking. I got this off Matches. I had a curator reward. So their curator program is you're basically entered into it when you buy something. And then the more you buy, they boost you up in levels. So I'm a level 2, which is only the second level. But what they do is they send you rewards throughout the year. And so the reward they sent me was $300 off a $1,000 purchase. There are some brand exclusions and things like that, but this was under it. So I, in total for this, paid with duties, taxes, that coupon, everything like that, I paid $1,400 for this. For this tiny bag, $1,400, which is shocking. But let me tell you the retail price of this. And I should also mention this is Canadian, 1,400 Canadian. I don't know what it is in the US or in euros or anything. But this handbag on Loewe is $1,930 Canadian. On Holt Renfrew, it's $1,900. So like with taxes, you're paying $2,000 for this. On Essence, this is $1,650 plus taxes, so you're looking at maybe close to like $1,800. What? And the thing is, when I bought this handbag, which is my small puzzle bag off Matches in 2018, with taxes, duties, everything, this was $2,300. If you're $2,300, and this on the like the Loewe site and other sites like close to 2,000, 2,300, 2,000. I think that's why it's shocking to me. This handbag now, the small handbag, it has gone up in crazy prices. Like the increase that Loewe's had on their puzzle bags, it's like, it ranges. It can be $3,700. On Holt Renfrew, the green one's like $3,450. So with taxes in a lot of places, like I think on Matches now, like by the time you were to order this and pay the taxes and everything, it's close to $4,000. And I paid $2,300 for it with all in. So like almost a double the price in 3 years. It's insane. So I think that this is also going to go up in price, which is crazy to me because it's such a small little handbag. But like I said, if it's $1,900 right now at Holt Renfrew, I feel like it's going to go up into like the 2,000, the 2,100s within the next year or two. So, okay, so let's figure out what fits inside this teeny tiny little handbag. So like I mentioned, I had just come from work. So I took this out of my work bag. This is the Loewe tea pouch. This is amazing. I use this as a catch-all in my work bag or any of my totes, just because at that point things aren't sort of loose and falling around. This is a really good option if you are looking for the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouches or toiletry, whatever they're called. I think this is a good option. But let's see what I have, because I usually carry my necessities in here. I know for sure that my wallet, which is the Louis Vuitton coin card holder, will not fit in there. It's literally, I think this is even a little bit bigger. Yeah, my coin card holder juts out slightly. So I would take instead this one here, which is also by Louis Vuitton from the men's line. So let's put this in. So that fits in really easy, nicely. And then another necessity I would need to take is going to be my keys. Now this, I don't know about this because I do this little hack where my car key sticks out like that. I think I would have to rearrange it because I don't think that this is gonna fit. No, I don't know. I think it's a little bit, yeah, so I would have to essentially take off this car key part. And then if I close this up here, at this point, this is like my home keys and things like that, that will fit in. I think, yes. And then my car key would have to go in sort of separately. I know for sure my phone will not fit in. And this is the iPhone 11. So yeah, there's no way. Even with this empty, this would not fit. So those are my necessities, and then I would probably have to take something from my coin. Let's just see if my clay. So here's my clay. It's full to the brim with coins. I have a ton of coins in here. This is so heavy, actually. It's heavier than this bag right now. So let's just say I want to take my clay with me. I feel like this is getting, let me take this out because I feel like that's kind of getting in the way. So I don't know if this is gonna fit in with everything else. Okay, it does, but at that point I feel like it's a little bit tricky to kind of get things in and out probably. I don't think I'd take my clay. And then if I needed to, I have like a lip balm here, but now I just feel like I mean, the lip balm fits in. I just feel like it's a little bit crowded with the clay and everything inside of there. So let's just see if it zips up. Okay, it zips up. It's so cute. Like, so those are my necessities. Essentially all my necessities that I would need to take fit in. I don't think I'd take my clay with me. So let's take the clay out. Let's just see how hard it is to take things out too. So, I mean, that came out decently easy. But if I had to go in and get my car keys, that might be a little bit trickier. It's actually not proving to be so tricky. I was trying to think like of different reasons why I might not want this bag, but I mean, oh, it's just the price. The price, I thought maybe it would be a tiny bit bigger. Okay, so here it is on me, and for reference, I am 5'5" and about 115 pounds. So you can see it doesn't look like obnoxiously small on me. I mean, it is small, like let's be real, but it's so cute. So I would say that the strap drop is longer than I typically like. I typically like to wear my handbags like really high up, like here. I could probably fiddle around with the strap, but I don't know. Like, it's cute, but is this worth like $1,400 cute is the question. I just feel like that's a lot of money, and I could probably get the mini at that point. I think the mini goes up to like $2,800 though. So I mean, it's quite a big jump. It's probably about double the price with taxes and everything than what I paid for this. So I mean, it's so cute. It's honestly so cute, but it's tiny. Like, what am I thinking with this little bag? But so that's everything that fits into this teeny tiny little Nano, and you also saw what it looks like on me. Now, I will say, when I was over by the window in natural light, I did notice that there is a little bit of wear on this handbag. So in general, this is made from calfskin, so the same calfskin as this one here by Loewe. I've also heard that they source the leather from the same supplier as Hermes. I don't know if there's truth to that, but that's what I've heard. But the leather on this Nano feels a lot softer and more supple. This leather feels a little bit thicker almost, I guess you would say. And I don't know if it's just because the Nano, they have to make it a thinner type of leather. But I noticed by the window that there's like kind of some wear on the leather already, and I think it's just because this, when you zip it and unzip this, well, the tag is in the way, let me take this out, but when you're like zipping this and it sort of hangs, I feel like that zipper, like the metal part, it's focusing on me and not the zipper, this metal part is rubbing against the leather there. And like I said, I feel like this leather is a little bit thinner. So if you made it to this part of the video, the end of the video, then you can enter to win this. Which in my last video, I compared two Saint Laurent card holders, and I just said, you know, I'm going to be giving it away, and it was going to be to one of you. So this is the one that you will get. I returned the other one. This is the Saint Laurent Black Monogram Fragment card holder. Comes with everything. I don't want to touch it too much, like I said, because I am going to be giving it away to one of you, but it is the black caviar leather with the gold hardware, 5 card slots on the back, and then a nice big pocket with a gusset to put keys, coins, money, extra cards, whatever you want, sort of in there. So I want to integrate this giveaway into a video because in the past when I've done giveaways, I get a lot of random people just entering, and the last time someone tried to scam me. So I ended up choosing the winner, Corey B, and like she's amazing follower. She's commented on so many of my videos, and then some random person messaged me and was like, oh, I won, and they had made like an Instagram account with their name Corey B. It was just so, I just basically was they were trying to scam me. So oh, it was so annoying. I just thought I'd integrate into a video where a lot of my regular subscribers like would watch it without knowing there's a giveaway. I'm so tricky like that, aren't I? So all you have to do is, I will run it for a week. So it is the 15th. I'll run it till the 22nd, next Friday, until like 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. That's when it will end. Please follow me here on YouTube as well as Instagram. The reason why I'm going to do Instagram is just because it's going to be easier to contact you, I feel like. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite fruit is. Let's make this easy. Let me know what your favorite fruit is and leave me your Instagram handle. I'll put your name, I'll put all the entries into that random generator I always use. And then once I see the winner, I'll go and check if they follow me on Instagram as well as YouTube, and then I'll just message you directly through Instagram, so it'll be easy. So it's going to be open to people in the US as well as Canada. Sorry, I can't do worldwide. It just gets too tricky at that point. So Canada and the US only, and like I said, just follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, leave your handle in the comment down below with your favorite fruit. So good luck. I hope one of you like very loyal subscribers wins, but I mean, if you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much again for watching me. It's so great interacting with everyone, so I want to give you something back because you guys are awesome, and I've met so many cool people on YouTube, so I appreciate all of you. So good luck, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.